Hi, Assalamualaikum and Salam Sejahtera. In this video, I am going to show how we are doing a data entry to the SPSS. Okay, so let's go. Okay, this slide is actually is a module, okay, for my SPSS training, but I am just jump to the module 2, okay, which is it's getting started with the SPSS that are covering to the preparing the codebook and starting SPSS. Okay, so this is example of the thing that we are going to enter, which is we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 variables with the specification of the data. Okay, in this data we will do a data entry and do the data coding, okay, which is in the marital status we will code it into 6 category, in the sex into 2 category with a numbering of 1, 2, and for the items for the 1 to 6, which is it will be it might be according to the satisfaction level or evaluation level of the ordinal data type that we coding it into 1 until 5 to represent strongly disagree to strongly agree. Okay, so when you are going to create the name of the variable, we have to follow the rules, which is the the variable name must be unique name. Then begin with the letter, cannot include any symbol except underscore, and cannot include keywords of the SPSS, and cannot exceed the more than 64 characteristic. Okay, this is the coding that I said just now. So we will represent it into the numeric sign or code. Okay, so this is the SPSS environment, which is we will start the program either using new, open, or import. Okay, so it will be in the file, either we click new, open, or import the database in the open. Okay, this is the view that I see just now. So there are two, I think I am going to the environment of the SPSS. So this is the SPSS that IBM SPSS Statistics Data Editor. Okay, so what we do is, what I want you to know is this is the variable view where we are creating the variable here, and this is the data view. Okay, so in the variable view we will insert all the data that was planning in this slide. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 variable. Maybe one is ID, second is a sex and age. Okay, then marital. Okay, so if you want to put marital, then you have space, you just put underscore status. The last one maybe we will put level. Okay, level of something lah. Okay, level I just put level. Okay, so we know that ID, maybe the ID will be assigned to the number, so we know the data type is this type is the data type of the variable name. Okay, so numeric is the ID. You can put actually string. Okay, so string will be accept all the data type of the alphanumeric and alphabetics. Okay, but currently maybe I just put numeric because I want to set ID as the number of the respondent. Okay, so sex. Okay, we just setting it into coding, which is 1 to represent male and 2 represent female. So it will be numeric. Then age. Okay, age will be in the numeric. Okay, so we just put numeric. And then marital status, we also create them into the coding. So we just let the type be as a numeric and level also numeric. If you have name, so you can, for example, you want to put name, then name may be in a string type, so you put string, okay, but the width is the length of the characteristic. For ID, maybe 8 is enough, okay, for sex represent 1 2 enough, and all is a coding, so it's enough. But for name, it will be more than 8. For example, we have name Muhammad Shafiq bin Muhammad Ali, so it will be about 30 characters, okay, so we just put 30, okay. And this one, for this the decimal, this is the floating point number. So normally all of the data are in a whole number, so we set the number as 0, okay, set everything in 0, okay, so 0 and 0, okay. And label, if you want to do description of the data, okay, the values, okay, if you have coding, so you have to put the values. For example, 1 will represent female, okay, then at, okay, and 2 represent male, okay, and at, okay, okay, then age, just accept any number that they are inserted. Okay, for marital status, we have just now we have 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay, single, steady relationship, okay, 1 1, okay, single, okay, 2, steady relationship, okay, married for the first time, third, married for first time, okay. This one is okay to use any symbol. This is not variable name, this is the values level. So 4 is remarried, okay, 5 divorcee, 5 divorce or separate, okay, and the last one is widow, okay, 6 is widow, okay, and okay, so that it will represent after that. Okay, 1 from strongly to for example, 5 is strongly disagree, okay, 2 disagree, okay, 3 neither yes or no, okay, 4, okay, this is example of the things that we are trying to find the satisfaction level, such as lah, okay, so strongly agree, okay, so add and okay, and name, just let them be like that, okay. So in this case, female, there are level, okay, the data will be create by default, okay, this is the measure of the data type, so automatically name as a nominal, and this one there are categories, so that we can set as a because this is have the order of the rank, so we set it into the ordinal, okay, so it's already okay, so we can save as the data into anywhere you want to put, okay, so this one is fine. For example, save, okay, so this is the view of the output. So if you want to find back your data, you just click the another windows. So this is the variable view, and this is the data view. So you can see that here is the is the data that you can insert from the respondents questionnaire. So for example, ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and you have 10 of respondent. Which sex maybe you want to put, because we're just doing coding, so just put 2, 2, or 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1. So it represents male or female according as our coding. Maybe this one to 20, sorry, 20 years old, 20, 23, 22, 22, 24. Maybe you run it into the my tech student or in the college. Okay, so marital status maybe we can choose lah. Okay, single. Maybe sometime have 3 and 4, 2, 1. Okay, for example, level of the satisfaction. Maybe everyone said 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 5, 4. Okay. Okay, this is in text view. Okay, if you want to convert it into the numeric value, so we can click this one. Okay, so values level will be noted by the numeric or by the alphanumeric. This one numeric and this one alphabetics. Okay, which one you are prefer to? Okay, so this is the data entry, uh, and you can actually run the data.